It's Wednesday the 25th of April. I arrived yesterday in Caboolture, Queensland from Hong Kong. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I'm happy to be back in this remarkable country where, in times past, my countrymen were sent for misbehaving. I'm about to have lunch with my good friends Hank and his wife Lainey, who've raised the cash to take me by selling custard apples, limes, and bananas. Hank and Lainey are originally from Holland, so we'll actually go Dutch for lunch, if you see what I mean. I've not seen them for 11 years, so it's indeed a happy occasion. The destination is Bribie Island, but we'll first eat at the renowned Sandstone Point Hotel overlooking the island. Very nice. That's the bridge to Bribie over there. I forgot to film the food, but it was excellent. I then decided to fly the drone. Now, I later was told that I'm not allowed to fly a drone here, but there were no signs informing me, and unfortunately, I'd already flown it. I quickly apologized, as I'd heard that people found misbehaving were sent back to England. Justice has come full circle. In the meantime, I enjoyed the view. That's Bribie Island over there, that in recent times has become a sought-after retirement destination. I love shadow shots with the drone. We can get some interesting angles. That's me down there showing some kids the drone's eye view. Bribie Island in the distance. I then showed them the asteroid view, where we get to see exactly where we are on the planet. We then went over the bridge to Bribie Island. The weather is beautiful at this time of the year, though the days are short. Sunset is at 5:15. On the beach at Bribie Island, I was able to get a drone's eye view of things. I can fly. Oh, for the wings of a dove. That's Hank and me down there. And Australia's best kept secret in the distance. So we sit and enjoy a beautiful evening in a beautiful place and try to catch up on what's been happening the last 11 years or so, as we watch the sun go down, and Lainey views it from the car. And we determined that we ought not to leave it another 11 years before I visit again. The sun always seems to set so quickly.